So I'm doing laundry right now. This is mine. This is mine. Actually, Lewis and mine. This is beach stuff, so I rinsed it first, and then I'm gonna put a little laundry detergent. This one I'm waiting. And that one, right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these going on right now, and 2 are done. And these 2 are gonna be done in 2 minutes. And I don't know when these people are gonna pick up their laundry, because I'm just kind of thinking like, hey, I need to do laundry. I'm not gonna wait all night. I don't know about this. I know people are gonna say Erica's getting triggered over here, but yeah, I hope that I don't have to wait here until an hour waiting for someone to pick up their laundry. So, anyway, so worst case scenario, I'll just take their laundry and be like, fuck it, I'm not gonna wait here. So this one, look at this, Constant Coffee. I don't know if there was supposed to be a price for it. I'm assuming so, but I didn't see a price, so I was like, frick it, I'll just drink some coffee. So I tried this thing. Okay, they have regular decaf hot water. I tried the decaf. Holy crap, this tastes like the worst coffee I've ever had in my life. If anyone tries this Constant Coffee, I would suggest, like, don't even waste your money on it. Seriously, it's terrible. It is terrible, 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 terrible. I don't know when they clean this thing. I don't know how you ensure that the coffee inside is fresh. But if this was your first experience drinking coffee, you would never want to drink coffee again. I'm not kidding you guys. So while I'm waiting for my laundry, I got my little Cheez-Its over here, and I got my drink to keep me company. And this one, I think it was like $3.29 at CVS. Look at that, 7 ounces, right? See over here? You can get, I know it's not the same thing, but if you get it over here, it's 0.75 ounces for $1.50. So I would highly recommend, if you go on a trip, if you don't want to bring your snacks on the plane, which is completely understandable, just make sure you hit up a CVS or a Walgreens or a Walmart, that kind of stuff, and just buy your snacks. Like, I understand that this is convenient stuff, but I just kind of think like, okay, see, this one doesn't seem too badly priced in my opinion, but like this one doesn't seem too badly priced. But I think like freaking Cheez-Its for $1.50, like this little bag, I think that's kind of pricey. But things like this $1.50, that doesn't seem too bad for instant noodles. Just my perception. I wish the chips were $1 each, but maybe that would be considered too cheap. But you figure, hey, there's gonna be people who wanna get that because they don't want to go out and go to CVS. See, so you can tell that they did try to price mark some stuff, like this stuff, $1.25. I thought this was really pricey for one bag of tea. A lot of these hotel places, when you have breakfast, you can drink tea for free, right? So I usually like take a couple and then I bring it home and I try it. This one I really like a lot, Constant Comet, and then I also like this one, and yeah, Bigelow makes good stuff, but yeah, I really like that one. And yeah, this, see, $2, kind of pricey in my opinion. Oh, see, one is done, those 2 are done. So right now we got 1, 2, 3, 4 done, and this one is gonna be done in 12 minutes. Yeah, it took me like 20 seconds to figure out what this was, and I was like, oh wait a second, this means high 12. And good thing that the dryer is free. You have this stuff over here, pretty fair price, ish. I thought that was kind of pricey for $1.50 for brew cup. The drinks, $1.50 for that seems like a good deal, or Juniper, because I've never heard about that before. $3 for Arizona seems kind of pricey. Doritos seems like it was a pretty good price, but that's just because it's like, I kind of think like, like this one, $2. I thought this was kind of cheap, and like I'm assuming this is $2 too. $2 for Totino's deep dish. That's pretty good. And what is this one? Is that $2 too? If so, I think that's a good price. And yeah, so I'm going to go and oh, and here's a soda over here. See? So it looks like the Gatorade is $2.50. Monster $3.50. Is that about the regular price? I haven't bought Monster in a really, really long time. Maxi pad. This is so expensive in my opinion. $1.75 for one pad. Oh. But this was pretty cool. Look at this, Nature Fresh deodorant. Look at that. Look at this. How do you? It's so cute and tiny. But I will talk to you guys later. Just wanted to give you a little view about this. I don't know who was doing pricing. Some is a good deal. Others, like the tea, I personally thought was like you shouldn't be charging for that. But that's just my thought. Again, this is a $200 a night hotel. I think it's like $206 a night, and it still smells like smoke. And I heard that the other person who was staying with us, right, on this trip, they were complaining that there was a fight right next to their room. So we were obviously in separate rooms, right? But there was a fight, and then people were yelling at 2 a.m., 2 or 3 a.m., just arguing, and they're like, oh my goodness. So they didn't sleep very well, and Lewis and I, well, we had the cigarette smoke smell. I didn't really notice it in the morning. I thought maybe it went away, and then when we came back from going out today, I smelled it, and I was like, once I opened the door, I was like, oh my gosh, it smells like cigarette. So the smell didn't really go away. Okay. And my thing is done. So I'm gonna use up my little deodorant and do another wash. See? So it's not that much. Just beach stuff. I didn't want to have it with this because I felt that it would contaminate it. And yeah, so I put a little bit of this off on the side because I feel like a lot of these natural detergents or a lot of detergent package, they give you way too much. So yeah, off to doing another cycle. And this is probably going to be done in about, I'd say, 15 minutes. I don't know if any of those 4 people are going to pick up their laundry. I hope they do. But yeah, I'm taking up 2 unapologetically. And yeah, because I want to get it in there, but I have no space to put it in there. Okay, see ya.